Hello everybody, guess what? We are going to test our experiment in big time. With these little things, you know, these paper toilet rolls, okay? As you can see, pure paper, and guess what? I have my victim. Oh no, my assistant. So let me introduce you to my assistant. Here it is. He's going to test my hypothesis, and he's ready with a lot of confidence. Well, maybe he's having a helmet and everything else. So let's put this thing in place. Let's put it over here, right there. As you can see, we have all of them aligned, and then we're going to put this wood table on top of them. Very good. And this is the moment. He's going to step there, and it will collapse, or it will. Oh God! Awesome! Look, Fortnite battle there. You can see there, skull in there. Super cool. So you can do it at home. Oh, I don't think so. That was that. But I will bring. Oh God! Super cool. Do it again. Oh, that's it. Thank you. Let's try it with someone more heavier. Thank you. Next victim. When I tell you, okay? He's ready. All set. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Be careful. Straight. Very good. Awesome. Thank you. Now you can get off. Very good. Thank you. And now, do you think I can do it? It's more than 120 kilos, okay? Very chubby. You want to do it? You want me to do it? As you can see, we put some new ones. And then, let me put the table board. It's over there. Nice. And moment of truth, 127 kilos. Here I got oh God, super cool. Victory. 127 kilos. Now just one thing, how can I get off of this thing? See you next week. Bye bye.